Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will show you how to answer this one. We can use about interpretation by past. So I will put about u equals to this one. Later that we need to do first the derivative for the both sides. And we have like this. So we need to do first the derivative of this one. We have 1 over number 2 with the square root of this one. And the second one, 1 over number 2 with the square root of this one. And we have ds dv, that is about ds. The integration of this one, we have v equals to s. Now we need to simplify this one. So in this one we can do about factorization by 1 over 2. Now we can do common denominator. So this one we multiply by the square root of s plus b. This one, that is about the square root of s plus 8. Now we combine two fractions. And now we can simplify this one over this one. So this one I need to transform into this one. Now for this one we have u multiplied by v minus the u multiplied by v. So we have 1 over 2, and then we have the integration s over the square root of s multiplied by 8 multiplied by b in here. So in this one we can do about expansion. So I need to focus on this one. So in this one we put number 2 over number 2 in here. So I need to add about a plus b to the power of number 2 over number 4. Later that we need to minus about this one. Now we can do about identities. So we can use about integration by trigonometric substitution. So I will put about this one equals to the square root of ab minus this one. So I will use about tan t, because if I put this one gone here, you got about AB with this one tan t square. So this one and this one we can do about factorization. Tan t square plus 1 we change for secant of t square, and later that we simplify the square root and ds. Next, because we have s, so I will put this one go to the right. So this one gone here. Next, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have like this. So this one, that is about this one. S, that is about this one. ds, that is about this one. So we need to simplify it. And this one we have ab minus a plus b, everything to the power of 2 over number 4, and we have tan t square. Now we can do about factorization of this one. This one, that is about secant of t square. The square root of this one, you got this one, and secant of t. And now we can simplify this one over this one. So we have secant of t. So secant of t, we put this one cone here and here. So the integration of this one, you got about secant of t. This one, that is about a plus b over number 2 ln of the absolute value of secant of t plus tan t. And I will put about c. About t, that is about this one. So we need to divide both sides by this one. So we got like this. And now we can find the value of t. That is about octane of this one. So I will put this one to change for t. Now we need to go back in here. The integration of this one, that is about this one. And I will put about c in here. This is the end. Thank you for watching.